you are given a histogram, and from the histogram you're supposed to find the median. Okay, but always remember what you're getting from histogram is what? What is this? This is your upper and lower boundary. So I suggest we draw up a table, what do you call that? Class. This is your class interval. This is your frequency. My smallest class interval is from 1 to 4. 1 to 4. Next one will be 5 to 8, right? Next one will be 9 to 12. 16, 17 to 20. Sorry, it's 24. Yeah. Okay, did I make a mistake here? 21, sorry. 21 to 24. Big gap here. 21 to 24. And that's about it. Okay, so, okay, now next we read all the frequency. Can you help me? The first one was the frequency? Is 2. Second one is 5, 8, 10. Remember, to find median, we always have to find your cumulative frequency first. 2, 7, 15, 25, 32, 36. My median is frequency divided by 2. Should I say the 18 value? So your median is median. Should I write median class? Median class is what? Everybody, median class. 18 is here, right? It's 13 to 16. L stands for lower boundary of this class, which is 12.5 plus n over 2 is 18. Cumulative frequency before is 15. And how big is your class size is 4. So somebody? 3, 12, 1.2, 13.7. 13.7. Okay, now how do you find your standard deviation? Before you find your standard deviation, you need midpoint again. 2 is 2.5. This would be 6.5. Yeah. 10.5. 14.5. 18.5. 22.5. Okay. I think I showed you on this. So if you have this calculator, the other one also can. 6 for stats, one variable. My x value 2.5, 6.5, 10.5, 14.5, 18.5, and 2.5. 2. Okay. Then you move across. Wait. What happened to my calculator? Jam. Holy crap. What happened to my Bugatti? Oh shit. Okay, my group 10 and 7, 4. Okay, so with that, I think we can go option 1 variable calculator. Okay, my sum fx, by the way, I say this again, sum fx means you take x times frequency. And I'm not going to write all this. My sum fx 86. Okay, my sum fx square is 7629. My sum f is 36. Yeah, my standard deviation is therefore 7 divide 36 minus 6 over 36. You square it, put a square root over. My result is 5.447. Okay, you validate. You use your calculator and count.